guys, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make a humble beef stew. This is one of my favorite Indonesian dishes. Every time I eat this, it always brings a happy mood. The scent of a beef stew is sweet and fragrant. For those of you who like culinary trips to Indonesia, this food is a must try. Alright, let's begin. So to make a beef stew, you have to prepare the ingredients. First, I use the potatoes that have been boiled and cut into squares and then fried like this. And then I use beef tenderloin 3 ounces. I use tomatoes, water, soy sauce, cooking oil, and salt, cinnamon, ground spices. So for the ground spices, you'll need 6 cloves of shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 centimeters of ginger, a nutmeg, peppercorns, and brown sugar, about 5 centimeters. Last but not least, 6 cloves. So I'm using mortar and petchel to grind the ingredients, but you can use blender machine instead. Time to start grinding. Cut the meat into cubes. Cubes are finished. Add the fine paste into the pan and start sauteing for a short time. Add the meat. Now add the water and brown sugar into the pan and start cook for a while. And then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Sprinkle some cinnamon ground spices and cook for a while and let it shimmer. Slice the tomatoes. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir gently. Now add diced fried potatoes. Now add cut tomatoes into the pan. On a medium heat, let it shimmer. try to take a sip of soup. When it's right, then it's time to serve. Our humble beef stew is done, and the smell so good. This 30 minutes easy cook is just so perfect for lunch or dinner. Very comforting. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have any requests, please do let me know in the comment and subscribe my channel. See you guys next time. Bye bye.